I'm Pamela Alon. I was Dr. Antebi's patient. He replaced the knee in 2012 and then again in 2015. He saved my life. I could walk, I could squat, I do Zumba. He's an awesome guy. But he's a little rough in the beginning because he wants to make sure you're serious about your health. And one day I wasn't having a good day, and he actually came and sat down right on the patient's bench and said, "What's wrong with you today?" And I told him that was the softest part of him I'd ever seen the whole time I was his patient. But he's an awesome guy. That's the best doctor I ever had. I love my knees and I love him. And thank you for inviting me to this banquet. I appreciate it.